Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? So for today's video, you guys, we're going to be going in with the brand new Mirage palette by Profusion. We would have gone in with the new e.l.f., I think it's Earth and Ocean palette. Fortunately, mine arrived broken, so I reached out to e.l.f. They did ship a new one out for me. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. But before we do, if you are new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that before you leave today, you will smash that subscribe button as well as that little bell so that YouTube can notify you each time I upload, which is 3 times a week and sometimes more. Lately, the beauty industry has been just blowing up with all kinds of new releases, so I feel like all of us have been just pumping the videos out like crazy. To my ride or dies, y'all, thank you so much as always for clicking on this video again and spending your time with me. And to the newbies, what's up? Sound off in the comments below. Don't be shy. We love to chat and have a good time here. So say hello. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. You guys, so I went on ahead and just kind of threw my hair back. It's kind of hot in here, and I'm one of those people that sweats a lot all of the time. I talk to you guys about it all the time. Well, today I kind of feel bad freezing Nick out, so we're not going to. Really quickly, before I go off camera and do my skincare and stuff really quick, I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about this beauty. Now, if you attended BeautyCon or anything like that, you were able to actually pick this up for what, like 10 bucks, which I also think is a steal. But with Profusion, if you don't know, Profusion is relatively inexpensive anyways, you guys. These newer palettes that are, I believe, 35 shades, they're only $13. So $12.99, you're getting a hell of a deal. Now with this particular palette here, there are 3 glitters in here, it looks like. Maybe a couple of duochromes, some shimmers, and of course, they're mattes. Now, what I love that they're starting to do is they're starting to listen to the beauty industry, and they are actually giving us more for our money and not upcharging the prices. Like, this formula looks like it might be just a smidge better, and if, in my opinion, they were already bomb anyways. So on the back of this palette, you're actually getting the shade names, which I think is really cool. It does come in here as well on this little plastic thing, which I don't know if some of you noticed, but this is glued down on one side and it's actually perforated. And so the ends right here, you can just kind of tear these and fold over if you want to keep this in here, or you can take it out. Because the shade names are on the back, I'm taking it out. And so this is what you are getting in the Mirage palette, which I think is so gorgeous. Sorry guys, I'm trying to show you the whole palette if the camera's gonna cooperate. There we go. Now I'm just gonna swatch a few shades for you once we start to get into it. I'm not gonna swatch all of them because I will be here all day and so will you. I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and put my skincare on and we are gonna get into it. Alright you guys, so I have a few swatches here to show you that I think depict are really good and paint a very good picture of what you're going to get in the Mirage palette. And I have to say, once again, I am amazed. I don't know how Profusion does this, but they do it, and they never cease to me. Hopefully you guys can see this better than what it's coming across on my viewfinder. Of course, there we go. These are just, oh, and these right here, girl. This brown right here, the glitters, oh my god. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaned up. We're not gonna talk anymore. I'm gonna point, blend, and we're gonna get into it. guys, so this is the final look that I have come up with using the new Profusion Mirage palette. What do I think? Well, honestly, you guys, I think that this is the same beautiful formula that we have all known and grown to love from Profusion. I have not had any issues with any of these shadows in here. The one thing that I did notice when I was swatching a few of the shades for you is that this glitter that I swatched here, I did have to build up just a little bit, and by that I will show you guys what I mean. I did not use this on my eyelids today. I just didn't feel like playing with glitter and having it all over my face. But as you guys see here, you saw me dip into the pan twice, and all I had to do was build it up twice. So, I mean, it is very, very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the other two for you. Everything blended really, really well on the lids. This is the look that I did. Now, I did use 2 shades on my lids, and then all of the rest were crease shades. I thought they were beautiful, and I also already know that if this is the same formula, then we know that their shadows are very long wearing. There you go. There's the swatches of all the glitters. I thought it was really cool that they included these in this palette. Also, I did notice that there are 1, 2, I believe 3 total lid topper shades. So I thought that was really cool too. They've given us more finishes to play with in this palette, which I think is really, really cool because you're still getting all of these different finishes and shades for the exact same price as their other palettes, and I think that is awesome. Profusion has really stepped it up from when they started their company 20 years ago, and I'm just blown away pretty much every time that they come out with something. Yeah, I always buy it, and you'd think they would be sponsoring me at this point, but yeah. Profusion, if you want to work with me, I'm ready. All right, you guys, so let me know, are you going to pick this palette up or not? Are you Profusioned out? I mean, this is pretty different than anything that they have done to date. So you are getting a lot of different shades and finishes in here. I really, really think it is worth picking up. That is it pretty much for today's video. If you are new here and stumbled across my channel, please stick around for a while. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so that YouTube will notify you each time I upload, which is 3 times a week. To my ride or dies, y'all, thank you as always for clicking that video and hanging out with me. And to the new subscribers, hello, welcome. If you would like to chat, drop me a comment down in the comment section. I love chatting with you guys about makeup. Oh, be on the lookout also. Tomorrow I have coming in the new Profusion Sun-Kissed palette. Now, a few people have gotten their hands on it at their local Walmart stores. Just so you guys know, some of the Walmarts that carry Profusion will have this new palette, and you may run across their Sun-Kissed palette. Both literally just launched on their website. I will leave their website down below. Also, there is a discount code SAVE10 that they gave me. It is not an affiliate code, but it will save you guys 10% off. So feel free to use that as well. It will also be linked down below in the shop with me section. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.